Meet Pip. Pip is a happy baby elephant who lives in a magic forest. He has big ears, a little tail, and a very special nose. His nose is as bright and red as a ripe cherry. Why is Pip's nose so red? It is because he only eats one thing. Pip loves strawberries. He eats them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Munch, crunch, munch. One sunny morning, Pip went for a walk with his best friend, Bubbles the butterfly. Bubbles loved to flutter around Pip's red nose because it smelled so sweet. They walked until they reached the sparkling falls. The water was clear and cool. "I am very thirsty," said Pip. He dipped his red trunk into the water for a big drink. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Pip drank and drank, but suddenly his nose began to wiggle. Then it began to waggle. Pip felt a giant tickle deep inside his trunk. Achoo! Pip let out a sneeze so big that his ears flapped. But he didn't sneeze water. He sprayed out a giant fountain of thick, sweet, pink strawberry milk. The pink milk splashed into the waterfall. High above, the water turned from blue to a beautiful creamy pink. The whole forest began to smell like a giant strawberry cupcake. Pip giggled. He used his trunk to spray pink milk into the air to make bubbles. He danced in the pink puddles, making a happy splish-splash sound with his big feet. Bubbles the butterfly landed right on the tip of Pip's red nose. "This is the best day ever," Pip whispered. He shared a tiny piece of a strawberry with his little friend. The sun began to set, turning the sky as pink as the waterfall. Pip was tired and full of sweet treats. He curled up under a strawberry bush and fell fast asleep.